Hello there, my name's Jane Sharp and this is my husband Darren, and together we run Sharp's Commercial Kitchens.
Sharp's Commercial Kitchens are based in North Lincolnshire. We cover East Riding of Yorkshire, North and South Yorkshire and North Lincolnshire. I've been a commercial catering engineer for 25 years, worked for a lot of different companies, ex-forces, fell into the world of commercial catering equipment and just loved it, got on really well. Where we are today in Sharp's Commercial Kitchens is that we are predominantly engineering, so we are more service, after-sales support, installations, commissioning, site survey, technical support, but we are moving in, or have moved into, more sales.
What we're doing now is introducing them particularly to the Retigo, because it seems to make perfect sense that with Darren's engineering and now I'm on board with the customer service and the marketing side, and with the Retigo, that makes a fantastic union, so hence we've introduced the Retigo. It became Sharp's Commercial Kitchens in September 2017, and that was when Retigo became part of our company ultimately. They were almost like at the same point, weren't they? So
the way I sell these ovens is the build quality. Number one, they are very, very well engineered.
Before Darren and I didn't know anything about commercial kitchens, but what I do know is I could learn to use this oven very, very quickly. It looks nice, it feels nice. I think it's really, really user-friendly.
So here we have the Retigo Blue 623 injection. We can select 105, the temperature again we can select in exactly the same way. Push that one, 160 if we wanted 180. 180. Alan, our chef, has written a program that we can use to cook breakfast all in one oven cycle. So all we do is go into programs, select a breakfast. We're going to put a tray of sausages in.